Inside of your Microsoft Excel documents, there are going to come times where you send this document out, perhaps to multiple people. Maybe you email it to people, or you drop it on a thumb drive, or you throw it up on a network drive, and people are expected to go up there and view the document. But I only want specific people to have access to that document. Well, one of the ways that we can do this strictly through Microsoft Excel is by adding a workbook password. Now, users have to have the password in order to open up this document. And once again, this is another simple feature, but a very useful and powerful feature. Lock down the document unless you have the password. Watch this. So I've got an Excel document open. This is the exercise file, but it really doesn't matter. You can open up just a brand new document or one of your own. Doesn't matter. I'm going to go up to my File tab, top left corner. Underneath File, on the Info section, I'm going to go to Protect Workbook. I'll give that a click. You got several options in here, but one of them is Encrypt with Password. I'll give that a click. It's going to ask you for your password. I'll use password as my password just for demonstrations. Don't lose it. If you lose it, you can't recover it through Excel. I'll hit OK. I got to confirm it to make sure I typed it in right the first time. And now my workbook is protected. So I'm going to save this. I'll hit Save. And I'll go close it. I'm going to go File, down to Close. We'll get rid of that. Gone. And I'm going to reopen it. So I'm going to reopen Excel on my computer. Let's get that back over here. And let's say I'm going to reopen up the example file. And now I need a password. So I'll drop in my password, hit OK. And I'm now able to reopen that Excel workbook. It's that simple. Underneath File, you go into Info, Protect the Workbook, encrypt it with the password. Remember, don't forget your password. You can't recover that. Keep it someplace secure. But now, in order to open up the document and be able to view it and make edits to it, you've got to have that password. Now, if you want to turn around and remove the password, I can go back into Info, back to Protect Workbook, and if I click on Encrypt with Password, I can remove the password. I'll just delete that out. That password's gone. I can resave the document. Password's off of there. We no longer need to protect it in that way. But whatever it is that you need. But a very simple, very powerful, very quick feature here. File, Info, Protect the Workbook, encrypt it with the password. Once again, stress it one more time. Don't forget the password. You need it. You can't recover it. All right. Try it out.